Okay, I'm in the Caspio, all right, and at the moment I'm actually at the data tab. So this is the data tab over here. Uh, That's empty, nothing inside here. So what I would like to do is I would like to import data from an Excel spreadsheet. So this is just a very small spreadsheet. Okay, something like that. Okay, let me close this. All right. Uh, Right, so a small little spreadsheet like this, okay, with title. All right. So I'm going to close this now. Okay. And I want to bring this into the Caspio table. So I'm going to import data. I'm not going to create one. I'm going to import the data first. Choose the file, which is inside my document. Yeah, this one. All right. Okay. And I'll click next. So it's importing. Since it's a very small file, so it shouldn't take very long. Okay, so it tells me that the file was successfully uploaded. And okay, so it detects the sheet. So sheet one, I only have sheet one. All right, so from this Excel spreadsheet, sheet one. Okay, so I'm going to import this. So I'll make sure there's a check over here. Right, so what do I want to do? Okay, so click, I want to create a new one. And what is the destination object? Okay, since this is about performance, performance, performance. Okay, so this is the name. And click next. So it has detected all this. I can change the uh, field name. Okay, I can change the field name. All right. Can include or not. So all this I can decide whether do I want to include it. And I can change the data type. All right. So if let's say I do not want to include something, I will just remove it. Okay. Uh, if I want to change a data type, all right. This one is a yes, no, but of course I can change it to text. So this is not, I'm going to change this into date time, and it's going to give me an error. Right, you can see that there's an error up here. See, incompatible data will be lost. So have to be very careful whenever there's this warning message appear. And that is because I don't have a year. Right, so it doesn't really understand date time very well. So I'll just leave it back as a text. All right, so these are all the data type that it can handle at this current moment. Okay, and click import. All right, and it says here eight record is imported successfully into this table. So let me close this first and go back to my tables, which is the data. Right, and now I can actually see the performance table. All right, and I can view it. Okay, so I can view it. So here is the uh, heading, right? The field name, right? The record, and because this one is a boolean, so it becomes a true false answer at this current moment, right? Okay, and you will notice there is a notification that indicate that your import of performance, which is the table, completed successfully, right? So by this person, by me, of course. All right. So there you have it. Okay. Now we will have one table, right, inside our data, right, inside here.